Sir, I'm 𝑚𝒆𝒄𝒉𝒏𝒐𝒍𝒍𝒆𝒚, and I'm from the OP Jindal University. Right now, currently I'm in 6th sem, and I'm from CSC background. And sir, currently I live in Chhattisgarh here, and my main domain is full stack. Mostly I prefer backend. And
Okay, so as like backend से artificial intelligence and machine learning तक का journey, like what are the key points, or you can say what are the inclination points?
yes, sir. I had some knowledge in backend, but sir, I didn't work in any of the AIML work, so I had joined this internship, and I had learned many things about machine learning, how it works. In the starting of session, when Ayushman sir has taken some classes before the giving some project us, then I had learned many things from that project about machine learning and how it works and how it functions. So, and it really helped me, sir. And while making the project, and in some of the topic I didn't know how to do. Then I had searched many articles and research about how to do. Like, sir, in my project, the topic came DCT for our project. It AI watermarking project. So I stuck in DCT when I put watermark. So I had
Mhm.
studied about DCT from many articles, and then I implemented in my project. So
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, so we have another participant from your team, as like your teammate, Raj. Raj, can you be on the cam, please?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So how's your day, Raj?
Good morning, sir. Everything good, sir.
Uh, okay.
Sorry, sir.
So
I was little bit busy. I can't join at that time.
not an issue. Not an issue. Okay, clearly fine. So before starting this journey, Naraj, just I want to know a little bit about you, about your education qualification and the background.
Sir, I am Raj Pandey, and I'm pursuing the MSc final year degree from Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Harvard University.
Okay. And okay, so just talking about the journey of internship or the last 3 to 4 months. So
Yes.
how it is valuable for you for your education qualification and additionally for learning the practical skills.
Sure, during the last 3 or 4 months, during this internship time, I got to know about the codings and extra. As I currently I am in the course where I have to just study the theory part more and do the research topics. But I was not that much induced in the practical things, and not to. I don't know much about that coding parts and other things. And during this time, as the project was about the real time project and the AI watermarking. So I just got to know about more about the web developments and other things. And during this time, the problems that arises, the internship team joins us and solving those problems helps us a lot to know about these things. And as my partner Amit Chauhan, he did almost most of the web development work. I was
Okay.
just as a naming leader as well. The most of the work was done by him.
Okay. So here is the game comes in the focus, as like this is called actual team and collaboration. So just I want to know a little bit from Amit's side कि अमित कैसा रहा आप दोनों के बीच का chemistry or like bonding that you are going to work as in a team. So how you guys are going to solve the conflict कि चलो ये problem आ रही है, I'm going to solve this and what are the, so just give me a few things about that.
sir, it was really great, sir. We really done many. We really talk about we really talk about इन्वेंटिंग एवरी प्रोजेक्ट. मतलब कोई भी मॉड्यूल में हम लोग फंसते थे, हम पहले एक दूसरे से बात करते थे कि इसमें क्या हो सकता है. एंड वी
अच्छा.
रिसर्च अबाउट इट मेनी टाइम्स लाइक DCT. He also researched and I also researched, and we come to a conclusion that we have to implement this and this into our project. So really sir, हम लोग अच्छे से कोलैबोरेट किए थे और काफ़ी हेल्प मिला एक दूसरे से.
ओके, दैट्स सो गुड. वैसे एक तो मैंने अभी राज ने आपकी तारीफ करी, दैट्स यू आर द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ द कोडिंग पार्ट एंड ऑल द अदर थिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स कमिंग टू द डिफिकल्टीज कि चलो आपने डिफिकल्टीज क्या क्या फेस किए ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीक्यूशन. नॉट आई एम नॉट आस्किंग अपॉन द थ्योरेटिकल थिंग्स. चलो थ्योरेटिकल थिंग्स के लिए तो कोई भी तैयार हो जाता है, एवरी वन कैन बी रेडी. So but while executing the things into real time, or you can say in the real world. So what are the problems you are facing?
सर जब डीसीटी वाला को बताया था सर, मैं तो उसमें स्टार्टिंग में बहुत इशू आ रहा था, मैं बार बार उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा था, बट वो इमेज को ना ले नहीं पा रहा था, मतलब कि मतलब इमेज हो नहीं पा रहा था उसमें, कि उसको वाटरमार्क में कन्वर्ट हो ही नहीं पा रहा था। तो तीन चार मैं ट्राई किया ऐसा, और मेनली मैं मेन दिक्कत में उसी में आया था, मैं उसी में स्टक था बाकी प्रोजेक्ट में, वो डीसीटी वाले में वही मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा था, तो काफ़ी सर्च करना पड़ा उससे, तब जाके तीन चार बार फेल होने के बाद जाके उसमें हो पाया इम्प्लीमेंट से।
ओके, एंड व्हाट
तो
अबाउट द रोल ऑफ ट्रेनर्स, कि आपके ट्रेनर्स भी आपसे कनेक्ट थे?
ये
आई
सर
थिंक
आयुष्मान
गौतम
सर।
गौतम सर एंड आयुष्मान सर, इन
यस सर।
दोनों का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है इस जर्नी में। सो उनकी तरफ से आपको क्या हेल्प रहा, या फिर जिन स्टेजेस पे आपने डिफिकल्टीज फेस किया, तो हाउ दे विल हेल्प यू, एंड लाइक हाउ दे हैड हेल्प यू टू सॉल्व दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स?
सर आयुष्मान सर से काफ़ी डिस्कस किया हुआ था इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, कि सर मैं यहाँ फंस रहा हूँ, तो उन्होंने काफ़ी बताया भी था कि आप इस सब आर्टिकल में सर्च कर सकते हो, जैसे मैं उनको स्टार्टिंग में भेजा भी था कि मैं रॉ फॉर्म में जो था, कि सर इसमें थोड़ा दिक्कत आ रहा है, तो मैं आगे क्या कर सकते हैं, तो उन्होंने गाइड भी किया था कि आप ये आर्टिकल पढ़िए, अगर आप इसमें अगर दिक्कत आ रहा है तो इससे रिलेटेड, तो बीच में आयुष्मान सर ने हेल्प किया था सर।
Okay, that's good. Okay, so just I want to know these things from Raj too. कि राज, क्या ऐसा डिफिकल्टीज एंड रोल ऑफ द ट्रेनर कि कैसे उन्होंने आपको हेल्प किया?
Sure, as Amit said, most of the work of web development work was done by him. I was just helping him in the in theory. Well, most of the theory work like presentations and other things were done by me. And during the things when there are problems arises, I suggested Amit to just contact sir. And as you said, as he said, Ayushman Pranav sir helped a lot during this web development works. All the his he helped us a lot.
ओके, सो फ्रॉम बोथ ऑफ यू नो,
Yes.
जस्ट एज लाइक आपको समराइज करना हो द जर्नी ऑफ दिस पास्ट 3 to 4 months, that you have to summarize within 1 to 2 lines. So I want to hear first from Amit and then उसके बाद फिर राज.
इट वॉज फैंटास्टिक।
Okay, it was fantastic.
यस सर।
Okay, that's good.
Many things I learned about AIML before sir, I was afraid entering AIML, कि
Hmm.
कैसा होगा, इसमें कैसे करना होता है, तो मैं इससे पहले तो नहीं था AIML में, तो अच्छा लगा सर, बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला AIML में।
Okay, and
ऐसे
any expectation or feedback for us, as like आप हमसे
सर,
क्या expect
हाँ,
कर सकते हो
यस
in the
सर,
nearby future?
यस सर, एज सर इन next month I will be in fourth year, so one request from StuValley that convert this to for paid internship sir.
Okay, of course, we will try to go for it. And additionally, as आप लोगों ने देखा भी होगा, there are various of interviews, and at present we had offered our two internship position to our two interns. One is for Muskan Rohe, and the one another is as like for the 𝑺𝒕𝒖𝒈. So
Okay.
additionally interviews are two going on, and
Yes.
in the case if you are looking for it, so then of course you can connect us. Okay. So
Yes sir.
thank you so much, Amit, and thank you so much, Raj, for joining this
Thank
session. See you soon in the group.